Welcome to the Vuolearning online learning platform. In this video, we will go through the platform's features from the user's perspective and provide tips on how to use the platform. Logging into the platform is done by using your organization's login page, which is typically in the format companyname.vuolearning.fi or by using a direct course link. There are different login options depending on the organization. These options will be visible in the organization's login page. On the platform's homepage, you can see current announcements. From here, you can easily continue your ongoing courses or learning paths. From the top menu, you can navigate to other parts of the platform. Courses, learning paths, and other achievements, such as task lists, can be assigned to the users. Users can also be added to calendar events. In the Courses view, you can see all the courses assigned to you in the My Courses section and available courses unavailable. Select the course you want to study by clicking on Open. In the left-hand sidebar, there is a table of contents that allows you to navigate between the chapters. You can also navigate in the course by using the Previous and Next buttons. The courses can include various elements such as images, text, videos, or tasks. There are a few different types of tasks, such as open questions, multiple choice questions, and sequencing tasks. You can answer the tasks by, for example, choosing the correct answer and clicking on Submit. Some tasks are automatically graded by the platform, and you get feedback based on whether the answer was correct or incorrect. Some tasks may require grading from the course admin. The courses can also include discussions where the course participants can discuss the given topics. Courses may also include surveys such as feedback surveys. Courses may have completion requirements related to task points, reading, and watching videos. If the course has these requirements, they can be found at the end of the final chapter, from where you can also check whether you have completed the course successfully. In the Learning Paths view, you can see the learning paths assigned to you and you get to study the selected learning path. Learning paths consist of multiple steps that can include courses, calendar events, and other achievements. In the Achievements tab, you can see your achievements and their status. Achievements include achievements, conversation notes, milestones, and task lists. From the available achievements, you can possibly request an achievement or add an achievement yourself. In the Calendar tab, you can see all the events that you are participating in and events in which you can join. By clicking on an event, you can see the event details and you can, for example, add participant information or cancel your registration. In the My Profile tab, you can view and edit your profile information and track your completions and progress in different achievements. In the Overview, you can, for example, edit your email. Here you can also see your competencies and ambitions. Competencies can be acquired, for example, by completing courses. Here you can also compare your own competencies to some competence profile on the platform. In Settings, you can, for example, change your password. You can track your own progress and completions in the Courses, Learning Paths, and Achievements sections in your profile. In the Courses section, you can, for example, view your progress in different courses and download the course answers. In Completion History, you can see all your completions on the platform. In the top right corner of the platform, there are tools with which you can, for example, search for a specific content on the platform, check your notifications, or choose the language of the platform. By choosing the Help button, you can find the contact information for our technical support and the user manual. By clicking on your name, you can go to your profile or sign out of the platform.